Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! You are back with me, DJ Lala. So wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Popos muna tayo sa ating biyahe for tonight at magbibigay daan sa ating Byahe Sender of the night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. So eto na nga po, basahin natin ang biyahe ng buhay ni Ella. Hi, good evening DJ Lala. Kailangan ko lang po ng help, DJ Lala. I'm frustrated at naguguluhan. I have this ex of mine. We've been together since 2019. He's from Australia. But because of COVID-19, we didn't had a chance to make babies and get married. Which was our plan kapag okay na ulit mag-travel. But I broke up with him this February because I got pregnant. Dahil lang sa isang pagkakamali, I ruined my whole life. I know, I'm stupid and I'm crazy. Siya yung taong masasabi kong nagparamdam sa akin na special at deserve kong makatanggap ng pagmamahal. But because of what happened, I chose to let him go and tell him that I was pregnant. Para mas mabilis siyang makamove on sa akin. Sobrang sakit pero I needed to accept. And then, I was miserable. I broke up with him after nitong nakaraang Valentine's Day lang. Sabi ko, I want you to start your new life with someone who deserves you more because I don't think I can be with you anymore. Then afterwards, when he knew I got pregnant, he blocked me immediately. You know what's worse, DJ Lala? Yung nakabuntis sa akin is nakilala ko lang sa dating site. Then, he unmatched and no communications na since then. Hindi ko nakuha ang full name, address, or number niya. Kaya ayun, I'm supporting my little knot alone. So eto na nga, after 3 months without texting my AFAM ex, he messaged me just last May 7. He told me that even if he is heartbroken, he still wants to know how I am now. And he told me that he wished that we still has our plans because he don't know where to start again and everything he had planned in his life was with me. Nag-guilty ako, DJ Lala. Iyak ako ng iyak na mag-chat siya. Dahil I always prayed na magparamdam siya sa akin. Dahil never naman ako nag-insist na i-chat siya because I still respect his... Niro-ruin ko yung story because I still respect his peace. And then he said he is sad. But he also told me na naka-move on na daw siya and he can't have a relationship with me anymore. But the thing is, he wants to see me this month and he wants FWB. Ano yung FWB? Sana explain mo muna ka FWB. Friends with benefits. Ang hirap pag matanda ka na. Friends with benefits pala. Yan, kahit sabihin niyang naka-move on na siya, he still wants to do what we did in the past. Ang pinagkaiba lang is hindi ako nag-i-insist na i-chat siya agad. Dahil ayokong maramdaman niya na naghahabol ako sa kanya. May araw na hindi ako nagpaparamdam sa chat, then he messaged me, why am I so quiet now? DJ Lala, I need help. I know I should just focus na lang sa magiging anak ko pero mahal ko pa siya at gusto ko siyang makita. DJ Lala, what do you think I needed to do? Does he still have feelings for me? Is it a bad idea na makipagkita pa rin ako sa kanya? And what can you say about the friends with benefit thing na gusto niya? Papayag ba ako? Salamat po sa pagbabasa ng chat ko, DJ Lala. God bless and more power to your show. Well, Ella, ganito, no? The friends with benefit thing immediately is an X. Is a no-no sa'yo. Kasi you are not in your emotional state to enter this kind of relationship kasi alam mong you won't take it as a friend. You won't take it as a sign or a hope that things could get better between the two of you and aasa ka na yung plano nyo before, maitutuloy nyo pa rin ngayon even when ang inoffer niya lang sa'yo ay friends with benefits. And siguro ganito, no? I don't want to talk badly about this person I do not know. Itong karelasyon mo from Australia. Pero the fact kasi na inoffer niya sa'yo yung friends with benefits, I think he lost his respect sa'yo. Kasi sa former relationship ninyo, sa mga plans that you are actually planning together, kahit papano siguro ay meron pang, alam mo yon, meron pang respect and all of that. Kumbaga, may hope pa of making this relationship a serious one. Actually, nung sinabi niya nga yung friends with benefits, it made me question yung intentions niya sa pakikipagrelasyon niya sa'yo na from afar. Itong mga dreams ninyo. Kasi everything is kinda, sabihin na natin, kinda, what do you call this? Questionable. Ayan, kinda questionable. Na how can you offer something like that to a person you used to love? You used to plan your future with. You used to plan you used to plan your whole life with. Kasi parang ang sinasabi nyo before, ang kulang na lang sa inyo ay kasal, magbuo ng pamilya, everything is set, and then pandemic came in, and then everything turned out differently. Kumbaga, questionable sa akin yung intentions niya because after nung nangyari sa inyo, after nung sinasabi niyang quote-unquote heartbreak niya, in-offer niya sa iyo yung friends with benefits. I see it as one of two things. One, it's either nawala na nga talaga siya ng respeto and gusto niya lang makaisa. Kasi ang tagal niyang hinintay, siguro ang tagal kanyang inasam, and then finally makakapunta na siya dito and para sa kanya parang, forgive me for saying this, matikman ka man lang ba? Kasi ang tagal mo siyang pinasabik. Or two, all the while na nagkaroon kayo ng relationship na magkalayo kayo, that's all he is after. Everything na pinag-usapan ninyo about marrying, settling down together, is actually just words. Parang, kumbaga, ano lang siya, pabuladas. Pero walang laman yung mga yon. It's just words flying dun mula sa mouth niya just to woo you. Para makuha yung loob mo, para maging, alam mo yung attached ka sa kanya. Pero ang only aim niya ay pagdating niya dito sa Pinas is a chance to be with you in bed. And that's all there is to it. That's the reason why tumaas yung kilay ko nung sinabi niya yung friends with benefits. So it's a no-no, my love. Not only na hindi mo na alam this time around kung ano intentions niya sa'yo, it's because you are not in your stable emotional state para makipagrelasyon ng anything with this guy. Since pinakawalan mo na siya, you did the right thing, my love. Ginawa mo yung tama. Hindi ka nagpasalo, hindi ka, alam mo yon, hindi mo siya niloko, hindi ka nagtago, naglihim sa kanya. You were true, not only to him but to yourself. At lalong-lalo na doon sa anak mo. Hindi mo siya itinanggi, hindi mo siya itinago kasi feeling mo yun yung tamang gawin. And you did the right thing. So I want you to continue on doon sa path of doing the right thing. Wag kang pumayag sa friends with benefits. Wag mong ibaba yung sarili mo sa ganong level. Yes, nabuntis ka by a man you barely even know, but that doesn't mean you are easy. Yes, nabuntis ka by a man you barely even know, but that doesn't mean pwede ka nang gamitin ng whoever, whenever they want to. Do not do that to yourself. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na meron ng isang supling na titingala sa'yo bilang ina, give that child a perfect example to look up to as that child grows old. Naintindihan mo ko, bigyan mo siya ng magandang ehemplo. Irespeto mo yung sarili mo and do not agree with a disrespectful offer like that. My love, focus on your child. Focus on yourself. Right now, sabihin natin na wala yung pinapangarap mo, na wala yung magandang buhay sana na pwede mong maasam because of one simple mistake, but that one simple mistake gave you something even better. And that is your child. I want you to live a life that your child can be proud of. You can do that, my love. You might have made some wrong decisions, pero kina-counter mo naman ng mga tamang desisyon. Even when you are put in a position wherein nasasaktan ka, put ka in a position wherein ikaw yung olats, pinipili mo yung tama kasi yun yung tama. So my love, do not do otherwise now. Nasa right track ka na, continue on with it. Kung nakikipag-communicate siya sa'yo, sabihin mo sa kanya, I'm so sorry. But if this relationship won't go any further than this, itong friends with benefits, if we can just be friends na walang benefits, wala kang inaasam from me, wala kang ine-expect from me, if we cannot be like that, I'm so sorry. I have to stop this, whatever this may be. Why? Because I have a child. Because I want to prove to myself that even though I made a mistake, I can still be the mom I can be proud of. I can still be the mom that my child can be proud of. Naintindihan mo ko, love? So wag kang bumaba dun sa level na yan na inilalagay sa'yo ng lalaking yan. You are not that. You are not that person. And you don't have to be that person. Just because feeling mo, my love, hindi ka na makaka-turn around sa nangyari sa yung hindi maganda. You can still stand up dito. You can still come back from this one. All you have to do is straight and narrow right thing. Kaya mo yun, my love. You did it once, you can do it again. Claro?